quick, graph y equals x squared plus 1 by hand in 2 different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause anytime as needed. The first way is we're going to use what I call the Parabola Dance. Normally we start at the origin. Because of the plus 1, we need to shift each point up 1 unit. So we're going to start at 0, 1. From this point, we do the Parabola Dance. This is like our new origin, which is right 1, up 1, because 1 squared is 1. Right 2, up 4, because 2 squared is 4. And right 3, up 9, because 3 squared is 9. We could either use symmetry or go left 1, up 1. Negative 1, the quantity squared is positive 1. Left 2, up 4. And left 3, up 9. Connecting the points, we get beautiful parabola, y equals x squared plus 1. Comparing it to the parent function, and it's in blue here, we can see that from the blue to the green, it's shifted up 1 at that point, and at that point, in fact, all points. So let's try a second way using a table. So we're going to start off with the y equals x squared table, 5 points that we usually know pretty well. And then we create a table in green here. And we're going to add 1 to each of the y coordinates because that's what it says to do in the equation. So I'm going to take the 4 and add 1 and get 5, and then plot that point 2, 5. 1 and 1 make 2, 1, 2. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 1. Again, 1 plus 1 is 2, but this time it's negative 1, 2. And then 4 plus 1 is 5, this time negative 2, 5. So we're going to connect the points into a nice parabola. And again, we can compare that to the parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals x squared plus 3. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check. And here is the answer. It's y equals x squared shifted up 3 units.